Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 11 and today I will show you how to reset settings. So to get started, you want to open up Settings app. From there, go into the General right here and scroll all the way down into Reset and choose Reset All Settings. And confirm it once more. And you will get progress bar, and once it's finished, the device will reboot and the process will then be finished. Okay, and as you can see now the process is finished. Let me just unlock the device. Okay, and that is basically how you would perform the reset of settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.